Special thanks to this company for sending me this golf club head cover. This one is black and blue, and nothing around the box to show you. Let's open it up. Look at that. Yeah. Look at this package. So you can see, wow, you can even put which one it is. Look at that. That's pretty amazing. So of course, just slide right over the head of your golf club to protect it from getting damaged when you're not using it. You get 1, 2. This one looks to be basically the same as that one. Yeah, X, 3, 4. Yep, same as this one. And then you also get this one, which this one looks to be for like your big driver. No little indicator on it. You just put it over your main driver and it would be protected. Super nice, super soft. I mean, this material feels really good. Also, doesn't feel like it would tear or break. It would nicely protect and be snug on your golf club heads. Thanks again to this company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching this unboxing of these golf club heads, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.